Hey guys, hope you all are doing safe. So in this video I'll show you how to make a simple yet beautiful mandala using two patterns. Yes, I'll keep it simple, and the video is quite challenging for me too, because I myself don't know that how it is going to look in the end. So let's see how it goes. Here I'm grabbing the materials to draw the mandala: my sketchbook, some fine liners, pencil, eraser, sharpener, protector, scale, and a compass. By the way, I personally love this compass. This is from Faber-Castell. So here my grids are ready. I already have shown in my, a lot of videos in my previous videos that how to make grids or how to form them. But if you are new to my channel and don't know how to form grids, don't worry, I'll give you my mandala playlist link in the description. So here firstly I am making outlinings, and as you can see I am also making outlinings with the pencil. Yes, the benefit is whenever you go wrong, like whenever you mess up, you always have an option to go back and to correct it. So that would be great if you use pencil for making outlinings first, or even the detailings. I'm making the same outlinings in my full mandala, so don't worry if there is any tricky part. I'll zoom it, I'll show you, I'll properly show you how to make it, don't worry. So here the tricky part comes. Not as much tricky, but it's quite advanced. Just watch this particular part carefully so that you'll know, because that's pretty simple too. I'm making it simple, and you know, whenever I make any YouTube video regarding mandala art, I try keeping it simple as I could, because I know कि आप लोग अभी start कर रहे हैं, so you need some simple and basic patterns to learn it, right? So I just always keep in my mind, and मुझे कमेंट करके लाइक ज़रूर बताया करो कि वीडियो कैसी है, because that motivates me to create more content, or that helps me to know is this video helpful for you or not. So we are just about to complete the outlinings, then we'll move ahead, we'll focus on the patterns and the detailings. मैं यहाँ पर वीडियो की स्पीड थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कर देती हूँ ताकि जो प्रोसेस है वो बोरिंग ना लगे. So once you are done with the making outlining with the pencil, you'll have to use pen for making the outlining. I'm here taking my Bristol fine liner. You can use any pen, any gel pen. So yeah, as you can see, I'm done with the outlinings. Now we'll focus on the patterns. I'm taking here my 3 different tips fine liner. And now ये जो मिड पार्ट है मंडाला का, उसको मैं डॉटिंग मेथड से डिटेल करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज एज आई सेड इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ दिस वीडियो कि मैं यहाँ पर 2 डिटेलिंग्स और 2 पैटर्न्स यूज़ करने वाली हूँ इस पूरे मंडाला में. So this is the one. The second is you have to just divide your outlining into 2 parts and make lines into it. I literally have no idea what I'm saying because I don't know how to explain it, but I hope it is clear to you. Let me know in the comment section कि समझ भी आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है, ये सिर्फ मैं बोलती जा रही हूँ. We are going to complete this mandala using these 2 patterns. Now again we will be continuing with the dot method, and a little suggestion for you: whenever you make dots or whenever you try making your mandala intricated by dotting method, try using different tips fine liner. I mean 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा, क्योंकि अगर आप एक ही फाइन लाइनर से और एक ही टिप के फाइन लाइनर से डॉटिंग कंप्लीट करते हैं तो दैट माइट गेट मेसी समटाइम्स. We are following here the second method, I mean the second pattern. And I have an idea for you guys. I just thought of sharing with you कि मैं मंडाला पैटर्न्स की जो वर्कशीट्स होती हैं उनकी वीडियोस अपलोड करूँ. क्या ये सही रहेगा या नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है उनसे काफ़ी ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होता है, बिकॉज यू गाइज विल हैव a lot of options about detailing or about how to make patterns. Just let me know in the comment section. You just have to repeat, and just don't rush while repeating it, because I also know कि जो process है थोड़ा सा boring हो जाता है, but just do it with love. Again with the dotting method, I think I'm obsessed. Okay, so yeah, we are done with detailing his patterns. Now I'll fill this empty area with a black gel pen, because I think कि ये उसको थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लीमेंट देगा, बिकॉज जो भी हमारी डिटेलिंग है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बारीक है. तो आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ कलरिंग इट विद अ ब्लैक जेल पेन. सो या वी आर डन, वी डिड इट. एंड जस्ट लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि वीडियो कैसा था. डू यू गाइज वांट टू सी मोर वीडियोस लाइक दिस और नॉट? Hit the like if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Take care of your family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until take care, bye bye.